Buenos dias mi gente. Today I'm going to install the speaker box that I got as a Christmas gift on my TJ. And as you can see, the box comes with two 6-inch speakers with two, I'm going to say 4-inch and two 2-inch. Plus it has two dome lights. It also comes with the wiring kit. It comes with brackets for large ones and small ones depending on the size of your Jeep. Since mine's is 97, my understanding is the large brackets are the ones that are going to work. And the way this thing works here is you put them in here on the side. It comes with the screws, which they're underneath here. Put them on here, and then it just goes on top of the itself, and put the bolts in. Now, as you can see, I did one of the old tricks. Positive and negative, red and black. As you're going to see now, it's for the lights. And the way these lights work is, you turn them, and they turn on. So you can turn them both ways, one way, and that's how they work. So you don't have to have a switch like people say. And that was as simple as positive and negative, the red and black. The other wires, the white and the red, is for one side, and the green and the red is for the other side. And that's it. It's as simple as that. The only pain is going to be trying to wrap the wires around. So, give me a few, and I have to take the top down in order to get up in here, and we can go ahead and mount the speaker bar. So, I'll be back with you. Alright, I'm back. I put the brackets on the speaker bar. The only issue that I'm seeing is we have this padding and you can't push it back. So if it's up here, I mean there's holes here in the bar they line up with these holes. The issue is, do I take the padding off or not? If not, I have to drill holes big enough through the padding to get to here. Now if you see on the other side, I have it off the padding. And you can see the holes. You look right there. And they fit, they line up perfectly right there. As you can see. But like I said, the only issue is the padding. The padding is either going to have to be cut or it's going to have to be removed. And I don't want to cut it because it's a zipper. So I got to see how I'm going to do this. Now what I did do is on the wiring is a self connector. I connected it here. I'm going to put some black tape just in case it rains. And I ran it through the padding here on the side, all the way down to here. Oops, sorry about that. To here. And I'm going to run it underneath here, through here, underneath here, to the front. And I'm going to wire it all up, as you can see right there, in the front on the radio. But the only issue I'm finding is this, like I said, trying to connect it on the bar itself. I'll figure it out and I'll let you know how it works out. Alright, I know I'm a little ahead of the game. As you can see, I took the radio out because we got to mess with the wires in the back. You see the wires here? They say right, left, right, right, green, positive, negative, purple, positive, negative. Same thing with the speaker wires. White, positive, negative, green and red, positive, negative. Of course, the one with the red stripe means positive. We'll go ahead and plug this in. Hopefully the soundbar will work. Then I'll get back to you and show you the results. Alright folks, sorry for such a short video, but it was kind of a pain in the butt trying to get the right screws and nails and zip ties and all that. But I want to go ahead and show you what it looks like. Here's the speaker box. As you can see, I have zip tied both ends. Reason being is I couldn't figure out, and if I had to get bigger screws, what I have to do is go down to the screw shop and see if they can figure out which screw fits in there, and if it's going to be better just getting long ones and going right through the padding, which I don't see an issue with it because I thought it was going to rub up here, but it doesn't, or go the other route and screw it onto the bar. But then I'm just going to have to take the padding off, as you can see where the zipper goes right here, and cut it right there so the zipper can go straight up and stop right there. At least I'll have my padding on there, or do the other route. But I'll figure that out on the next video and I'll let you know. It wasn't that bad the way I say. You can see the plug right there, which just reminds me I gotta put black tape on it in case it rains. I don't have the top on. I ran the wiring right through the padding on the side, ran it straight down on the bottom, right over here. As you can probably see right there, it's kind of divided, going down into the under the floor mat, the carpeting. Ran straight across up through here and right there. It was where I ran the speaker wires. And then the other, what I did was I spliced into the wires here. A lot of people say they can't figure it out. There's a red and black wire for the dome lights. And what I did was I found out that the yellow one is actually the lights for the back. So I spliced into there, connected the red wire, and then the black one I grounded into the body right here. So now when I turn the lights on is when my dome light works, and if the lights are not on, my dome lights won't work. And you're probably saying, well, that's kind of dumb. Well, I don't think it's dumb. Reason being is that if I'm somewhere and you get one of these assholes that decides to turn my lights on so my battery can die, well, guess what? The shit ain't gonna work. So that's the reason why I did it that way. I kind of like the way it looks. Sounds awesome, I'll tell you that. I thought it was gonna sound shitty, but it sounds real good. Especially I have the one speaker in the back in the trunk with the amp. Got the new radio. Let me walk around here and kind of show you what it sounds like and looks like from the inside. So let me show you a little closer here. See, I ran the wire that came with it, just put it underneath the carpeting, right underneath the dash, and there it goes right there into the radio. And then I spliced in to the regular wire from the Jeep. The orange wire, it's a light wire. So, of course, as you can see, the lights don't come on. And now if I turn the lights on from the Jeep, hey, they work. And then, oh, let me get in here. And I can show you more or less. Hopefully I didn't kill my battery because I had it on for a while. Alright. Sorry for the glare. I'm not going to be able to put any music on because last time this happened when I was installing the radio, I got copyrighted. So they're talking, so
can help you find joy anywhere. Just click follow on Instagram and find joy in your feed. From daily encouragements,
I love it. It's awesome. Can't wait till I go down the street driving it. Since I really don't drive it much, I really can't see what it looks like, but here it is again. Speaker box looks good. Easy install. My next project's going to be getting the screws for the sides for the speaker box, installing the under dash lights and under seat lights so I can have night lights at night, and deciding if I'm going to cut my tubing or I'm going to screw over it. So you stay updated with my videos. You can follow me, share, like, and see what my next project's going to be on the Jeep. Alright, take care, and see you on the next one.